Hi guys, welcome to the 11th episode of the Journey of Guys Dub from India to World, where we show you how we are building Guys Dub right here in public. So today, as you can see, the background is changed because I have been traveling from Bangalore to Kolkata by road. So we have been doing the development simultaneously, and yesterday entire day we were testing the product. And yes, now I can finally say that this Monday, as I'm recording on Sunday, this Monday we are finally going to push it on Play Store and App Store. So as this episode comes out on Tuesday, hopefully it should be in review. Fingers crossed. I just want it to go out somehow because we have been developing from like June month, and this is almost going to be, December 1st almost. So yeah, you can understand. So I just want to give a short recap of whatever last hurdles that we faced. Last hurdles before the final deployment. What happened was like we were testing, me, my developer and my content head, we were testing, and since all of us were making APKs after APKs and testing little here and there, Firebase ne kya kiya? It blocked our accounts. So what happened was like when we were logging in again and again, so Firebase thought ki it is some spam or something, trying to invade into the app. It's a good security system, you can say, but yeah, हमको ही block कर दिया इसने. But what we thought was like the system is broken. So I was like, what happened? What did you do at the last moment? कि login ही block हो गया. But it was not the case actually. But then when we tried with someone else's number, we came to know that no, it's not our fault. Firebase ने हमको block कर दिया 3 numbers को. So that is fine because we have been continuously trying the entire day login, and Firebase suspected us to be, spam and blocked us, which is a good thing. I support you, Firebase. And yes, please excuse me for the voice quality or the frame का हिलना डुलना because I'm traveling, as you know, and सारा मेरा जो mic का setup है and everything is in the luggage. So now Gappy के ऊपर जो streak है आग वाला, that is coming. Notification is coming in both iOS and Android, and confession as well is coming on the homepage. So हमारा जो most of the things last episode we told ki those were not solved, so we were not able to launch it. Those have been solved now. So yeah, hopefully let's see, this Tuesday we'll keep our fingers crossed, and then yes, let's see Friday के episode में if I can tell you our app is finally live.
Finally!
But the good thing is that फाइनली हमारा जो टेस्टिंग का फेज है एक के बाद एक वो फाइनली खत्म हुआ. इट्स लाइक डेव से लेके सैंडबॉक्स से लेके प्रॉड, एवरीथिंग इज नाउ डन. आई एम कीपिंग माय फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड. कीप मी इन योर प्रेयर्स. ऑल्सो द रोड इज वेरी प्रिटी, सो आई विल शेयर अ फ्यू क्लिप्स ऑफ द रोड फ्रॉम बैंगलोर टू कोलकाता. And yeah, see you in the next Friday episode. Thank you for watching this far. Thank you, thanks, and bye-bye.